This is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Huawei App Gallery service. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the install button at the app's respective page or even from the search results themselves. And now we'll wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed. As you can see, this procedure happens fairly quickly, so it will not occupy a lot of time at all and will be done in no time. Now we can go ahead and launch the Opera. In here, tap at the blue continue button that should appear right about now. Or actually it went further automatically. So at this page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.